Welcome to TDS Online Math. Now let's provide the solution to this problem. Okay, so we have half of square root of x plus x equals to 2. Okay, so let's remove the half in front of this bracket by multiplying both sides by 2. Okay, so this side will go, I will have it 1 times this square root of x plus x equals to 2 times 2, 4. Now what we are going to do here is to keep the radical on one side and send this x to the other side. Okay, so I'll write this one equals to 4 minus x. So we want to go ahead and square both sides in order to get rid of the root sign. So I will square both sides. So this side will cancel. I will have it x. I have x equals to 4 minus x squared. Okay, so I have that. Now it's the same as x equals to 4 minus x, 4 minus x. Okay, that's the other way you can do it. So I have x the same as 4 times 4 minus x times 4 minus x. So I have x equals to 16 minus 4x minus 4x minus x squared. So this one is a quadratic. Okay, so the same as x equals to 16 minus minus 8x minus x squared. So I have 0 equals to, so minus x squared minus 8x minus x. Okay, so minus 8x minus x plus 16. Okay, so 0 equals to minus x squared minus 9x plus 16. So let's dissolve the negative. Okay, so let's bring everything to the left. That will be x squared plus 9x minus 16 equal to 0. Okay, so let's go ahead as we compare this to the general quadratic equation. Ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. A is 1, b is 9, c is minus 16. Okay, so we have minus b plus or minus b squared for a c on 2a. So we have x minus b, that is 9 plus or minus. So we have b squared, that is 9 squared minus 4 times a is 1, c is minus 16. Minus 16 on 2 times 1. So we have them here. Okay, all right, so this side will be x equals to minus 9 plus or minus 9 squared 81. So we have plus 16 times 4, so 2, 64. So we have 64 on 2. Okay, so we have x equals minus 9 plus or minus. So let's put them together. 81 plus 64, 5, 10. So we have 145 on 2. Okay, 145 on 2. So we have plus or minus 145 on 2. Now let's see how we can reduce them. Okay. All right. So square root of 145 is 12.0. Okay. 12.04. So this side will be x minus 9 plus or minus 12.04. Okay. On 2. So the first answer will be minus 9 plus 12 on 2, or minus 9 minus 12. So the first one, x1. So minus 9 plus 12 will be 9. Okay. Minus 9 plus 12 will be 3. Will be 3 on 2. Then my x2 will be minus 21 on 2 as a solution. Or you can keep it as x equals minus 9 plus 145 on 2, or minus 9 minus square root of 145 on 2. So we have that. You can go that way. All right. So that's that. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos like this. All right. So thanks.